In today's exercise, I'm going to show you how to do a decline chest press with a hammer strength machine. So you need to have a machine very similar like this one, okay? Now, when doing this exercise, it's a great exercise that really engages the lower part of the chest as well as the triceps. Now, when getting into the seat, make sure that when you sit down, you want the bars kind of in line with the bottom part of the chest, all right? Have your hands about shoulder distance apart. Push your chest up, roll shoulders back. Go ahead and push the butt out just a little bit, all right? Suck in the stomach, all right? Now when doing it, make sure your elbows isn't flared out. Make sure it's nice and in. When they're in, you're gonna engage the chest more. When they're out, you're gonna put tension on that elbow, okay? So, and make sure you relax your head onto the seat with your feet. You can bring them back, okay? Just like that. Then when doing it, it's performed just like this, okay? Just like that. This is how you do a decline chest press with a hammer strength machine.